Hey, I'm Sheridan.
And I'm Bree.
We're from Tidy Space, Tidy Mind.
And we're here to explore kitchen organisation with decor.
Organising your home and your kitchen can be really overwhelming.
So we're here to share our tips to help get you started.
Whether that be your pantry, one cupboard, one shelf, we're going to help you get your home organised. Okay, so think about your space and where items are most needed. Think about where you want your tea towels to go. Do you want things near your coffee machine, near your fridge?
It can be really overwhelming to know where to start, so we do recommend to pick one space at a time, whether it be a cupboard, a drawer, or even a shelf.
Even things like your tea towel drawer, simply folding them, putting dividers in will help it feel more organised, and from there everything will just flow on.